Hello, friends of Captain's Quarters. Just wanted to give you a quick update as to our current condition of the flood of February 2019. We are just a few inches from getting water in the building, and we're in the process of actually putting our own fresh water into the building to keep the muddy water out, and that's the water that you see running now. But it really helps the cleanup process. Even though it sounds a little counterintuitive, it works wonders. But here in the kitchen, you can see we've got all of the equipment out, and the stainless steel equipment that still remains here, just tables, and they are totally fine in the water. We are expecting the crest to be sometime on Friday, and we hope that the water is out of the building potentially on Sunday or Monday, and we will do our best to get the building dried out and reopened as soon as possible, which potentially, again, could be sometime this weekend. We're only expecting a couple feet of water in the building, which is good news. It will not get into any of our electrical equipment, which will save us a lot of time and a lot of money. But the forecast right now, again, is a crest on Friday, somewhere around 28.5 feet, which is 2.5 feet deep in this current area that I'm standing in, our main bar. But in the dining room, it will only be maybe a foot deep, which won't even get to any of the electrical outlets, which is a good thing again. We'll have some work ahead of us. Cleaning up outside is going to be a big chore, but the inside, with the water levels anticipated, it should be a pretty quick and painless. So we hope to see you all back here again. Hopefully next weekend you'll come out and support our staff, who will be out of work for a week or potentially two. And most importantly, I want to thank them and all the volunteers that came out to help us clean out the building, get all the equipment out and the furniture out. It was a huge help, and we really sincerely appreciate it. But hope to see you all back out here soon. I promise we'll do everything we can to be serving cold drinks and good food here very shortly. Come out and see us.